Welcome back. Today's dish is Moru curry. It is a curry made out of curd and it's pretty famous in Kerala. So let me show you how to make it. 1.5 cup grated coconut, about 1 by 3 teaspoon turmeric powder, a small piece of ginger, green chilies. You can take, if you have big chilies, you can take 2. I had only 1 big and the rest are 2 small. 1.5 teaspoon jeera or cumin, 500 ml curd, and this is for the tadka, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 dry red chilies, and about 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Just a pulse. That's it. Now we are ready to do the tadka. Apart from checking for the salt, the only thing you need to do is see or just observe if there's a bubble coming up. The moment you see one bubble, that's all, your dish is ready to serve. I've kept it on a medium to high flame. You can see bubbles coming up here, so I'm going to switch it off now. That's all. Our Moru curry is ready. Let's have a look at it. You can relish this dish with rice, mainly with Kerala rice if you prefer that, or any kind of rice. Even white rice also will do really good with this, along with some nice papadam in Kerala. Enjoy!